The fundamental principle behind any occupational health and safety program, procedure, or practice should be the control of hazards. Hazards are present in all workplaces and can lead to injuries, short and long-term illnesses and diseases, and sometimes death. Hazards clearly also have the potential to cause damage to plant, equipment, and goods. Lost productivity, increased costs, and most importantly, human suffering are three good reasons why it is vitally important to control hazards in the workplace. But before we can effectively control hazards in any working environment, we must first identify all the hazards that are present. Once these hazards have been recognized or identified, we must then evaluate or assess each of them in terms of the risk or risks they present. Only then can we adopt a strategy of control measures to eliminate or reduce the hazards and hence reduce the level of our exposure to the risks they present. This process could be more simply expressed as the recognition, evaluation, and control of hazards. The recognition or the identification of a hazard is the first step in the elimination or control of hazards in the workplace. In many cases, hazards are easily identified. Untidy work areas, inappropriate or damaged tools, incorrect manual handling techniques, and so on are all fairly obvious. Other hazards, however, can be more difficult to recognize. For example, identifying dangerous fumes from a production process. Likewise, the consequences of a pipe bursting or a chemical spill occurring are not easily predicted. In these less obvious situations, in order to be able to recognize the presence of hazards,